Hello everyone, this is Ayush. I recently started exploring ESP32 module and came up with a new project. Let me take you through the journey that how it actually works.
In this project, I have used ESP32 module, which is basically a camera module along with Wi-Fi. It transmits the photos clicked by this module through a network to the receiving part of my project. It also have a micro slot for micro SD card through which we can record the videos. In this project, I have also used Arduino Uno to power my ESP32 module. So let's see the output of this project. This is my Arduino board, this is my camera module, and this is my object which I am going to move, so you can see the movement on this screen. You can see. So now you can see my computer screen and this object is moving. You can see. So here are some functions, like we can change the resolution, we can increase the resolution, decrease it, then we can change the quality, brightness, contrast, and then we can flip image. Like if we press this, the image is flipped. You can see. Then we can do face detection, face recognition, which I am currently working on, and then we can get a photo from get still. Here is, you can see a photo is clicked. Then we can stop streaming, start and stop streaming. The stream is stopped. As you can see, the stream has been stopped. Then we can start it again. As you can see, the stream has started again. Then here we can see my computer is receiving images from this module through internet. This is the coding part of my ESP32 module. You can see. I have basically programmed it to transmit data through Wi-Fi to my IP address. So here you can see an IP address is provided. We can just type the IP address on our web browser and can visit this website. This IP address is different for different module. No one else can visit this site.
So this is how my CCTV camera works. It can also be used in home security system. Thanks for watching.